soy Teague.
Soy Chao.
Soy Zeke.
Y somos
Los RV
Amigos.
Did someone say
Clean, clean, clean. Now you tapping. Ooh, ah. Clean, 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 clean. Oh, you tapping. Drip water. Dip, splash, splash. Water, splash. Splish, splish, drip, water.
Alright, so today we're going to talk about the Jayco Jay Flight travel trailers. As you can see here, we got a powered tongue jack. Now on this Baja edition, it comes with two 30-gallon propane tanks versus 20. Integrated A-frame, no Boeing. Walking past, every Jayco comes with a 2 and 3 year warranty. Solid steps. You got outdoor speakers for the fun party, the quinces, the birthday parties. Also comes with the Jayco Jay Smart lighting, so people can see you more on the road. Now on all Jaycos, they come with a nice galvanized steel wheel for blowouts, so no more ruining inside your trailers. But on the Baja edition, you got the nice off-roading tires and a flipped axle for more clearance. Now walking through this side.
Hey guys, so right here we have a ladder to go on top of the roof. All the Jayco roofs are walkable, so they will sustain you to clean them and do any maintenance that you need to do to them. Also right here on this one, you're gonna have a tankless water heater. You do have a spray port right here. Now walking over on this other side, any KOAs or anything like that, you can put your cable connection right here to watch TV. These are gonna be your drain ports for your tanks. City connection, tank flushes right here, outdoor shower, which means you can rinse off your fishes or anything like that if you get dirty. Another cool feature with the Jaycos, you're gonna have tinted windows. It'll keep the heat out so you're not dying of heat in the summer. Now walking over to this other side, you do have a solar panel up top of the roof. As you can see right here, quick drop stabilizer jacks right here. Now we'll go and take a quick peek on the inside of the trailer. We'll show you around this trailer real quick.
All right, let's talk about what's great about the inside of these Jaycos. First of all, they all come with Bluetooth stereos, seamless countertops, side-by-side sinks, detachable nozzle, real wood. All Jayco's construction is screwed and glued, not stapled like other manufacturers. Everything comes with a microwave, 3-burner stove, oven, and safety lights. So in case you bump into this with your booty, you'll know that the gas is on. This stove saves lives. You get your 12-volt fridge with extra space, more than the propane electric fridges, and also you can keep running while you're running down the road. Now, on the models with bunk beds, the Jayco bunk beds have higher weight ratings than any other manufacturer. So on the bottom, you got 600 pounds, and on the top, 400 pounds. That's a lot of weight. Come on, get up here, it's bedtime. We got 12 people coming, so we got to fit up here, all of us.
Come on, Ezekiel!
make some room? I'm coming.
All right, according to my math calculations, this should hold us perfectly fine, unless Teague has gained a lot of weight recently.
I have been eating a lot of tacos and tamales.
And don't fart! I'm out of here! Let's go into the bathroom. Now these Jay Flights come with tubs. You've got kids. You got high head clearance here in the skylight for the tall people. Alright. So you've also got the electric vent fan here up top for those extra stinky number 2s. Speaking of stinky number 2s, excuse me.
Woo! Give that about 3 to 5 business days. Alright, so over here we have 2 sleeping areas. This table converts, hey homie, you know this turns into a bed. This turns into a bed, don't worry, we'll show that here in a second. Including these 2 seats right here that you have cup holders with, this will also convert into a bed. See? Plenty of sleeping area. As you can see, my amigo is taking a nap right now.
Oi, amigo!
Huh?
You got toilet paper.
Oh, it's scoopy. Now it's time for my daily nap. Just kidding, no time for that. Let's get this back in shape. All right, now on to the bedroom. Comes with a full-size queen bed. You got storage underneath. Of course, Zeke's already asleep. Hey, amigo, save some room for me.
Oh no! Oh.
What the heck are you guys doing?
We're going to bed.
Lights out. Make room for me.
No, 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 no,